how to engineer predictable 20K months. It's very possible a lot of the people that go through the program get there, and they get there a lot faster than you would think. It's people that feel stuck in their job or any situation that they can't stand. People that are tired of trading their time for a paycheck, tired of building someone else's dream, and tired of feeling like they don't have real options. I've been exactly where you are every day. Even at times when I was happy there, I wanted nothing more than to have my own thing that I controlled. I didn't want to come in and report to somebody. I just wanted to do my own thing. I wanted to be free. So I built my way out of these jobs that I had that paid my bills with a very simple remote cleaning business. And now my goal is to help you do the same thing. And this is not just about potentially starting a business. It's also about what the experience of being free does to you. Because there's only one thing that makes all the other problems irrelevant: customers. If you don't have customers, you don't have a business. You don't need cleaners if you don't have customers. You don't need a pricing strategy if you don't have customers. You don't need systems to operate if you don't have customers. And this is where almost everybody gets it wrong. They try to build the business before they build demand for the business. Your goal is not 20K per month. Your goal is to have predictable lead flow that can turn into 20K plus per month. Because revenue is just a byproduct of leads and conversion. If your phone rings 15 times per day with qualified people asking for a quote or for a cleaning service, you can do the math in your head. 15 calls per day, let's say 30 to 40% of them book. That's 5 to 6 new customers per day. Now multiply that out across the month. That's how you hit 20K consistently. So the real question isn't how do I make 20K per month? It's how do I make my phone ring 15 times per day with new customers inquiring about getting my service? When you start to think that way and understand how to get there, then the client acquisition machine is and becomes the entire game. You need a machine that produces leads every day, whether you feel motivated or not. And that machine has two components: paid advertising and free advertising. Let's break them down. Paid ads are not optional. They're the fastest, most controllable way to grow. And specifically, Google ads is the holy grail. Alex Hormozy says all the time, and I laugh when he says it, ads work. If they're not working, it's you, it's not the ads. Let's talk about free advertising. Your Google business profile is huge. It can generate calls, website visits. But here's the truth that most people won't say. Free traffic should not be your main growth strategy. It's too slow. Predictable 20K months don't come from chance. They come from choosing to invest in ads, to learn the game, build systems, and take control. Every time you avoid that, you're choosing unpredictability. You don't grow a cleaning business by working harder. You grow it by controlling where your next customer comes from. If your phone isn't ringing, you don't have a business problem. You have a visibility problem. Fix that, and everything else gets easier. If you want me to help you start or grow your cleaning business, shoot me a DM on Instagram at John Margalit, if we could put it up on the screen. I can give you my training system and access to me for help, or I can build the whole thing with you and for you.